Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. With me today is my student, James B. I'm super excited to be able to share his story with you today because he's been making some pretty great progress in a very short period of time we've been working together. So thank you so much for coming on the show today, James. James, can you please introduce yourself and just give us a little bit about your business?
Oh, hi. I'm a certified public accountant. I've been on the corporate side for about 13 years now. Late last year, I started my business. Mainly, it was tax preparation, but I wanted to kind of branch off into like bookkeeping and accounting. Since tax work is seasonal, I wanted like a steady source of income throughout the year. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to branch off into bookkeeping and accounting as well.
Okay, that makes sense. And then on top of that, like we even talked about it, like in our coaching call, like you came on, you were like, hey, I have this thing. I mean, was that helpful to be able to have, me just here for you? Because I mean, I think we spoke on the coaching call for probably about like 30 minutes about how to go and approach that client based on what we knew about her already.
It was very helpful. And then I think what I like about your program too is like you're real responsive to students. Like I think originally how I went about it was like I didn't even want to wait for the coaching call. Like I wanted to talk to you right away, so I just shot you a text like, "Hey, you have a few minutes to talk to me today," and you made time for me. So that was really helpful.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's one of those things, man. It's like if you're doing the work, I don't mind helping you out as much as possible, because I knew that if we just talked for a couple minutes, it would change your situation, especially when there was multiple clients like that where like the one where like how to deal with this complex situation. Like, we don't have to go into details about, that client and that stuff, but just being able to talk to you and be like, hey, so this is what I would think about if I was going in there. This is what you should look out for. Have you thought about this? And then you win.
Yeah, before when we had our initial like call, I told you I joined a similar group, but it was really hard for me to get that coach on the phone. Like so if I had a question, uh she would really take a long time to reply to my emails, and it's like if I have if I have a question in between like coaching calls, then I just have to wait till the following week. Like I can't
Yeah.
speak to anybody until I'm on the coaching call. So um, definitely having you as a resource, and the way your program is structured is a lot better.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I really appreciate your time today, James, and it's really been great getting to know you and helping you out.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate everything you've done so far. It's really been helpful.
Excellent. More to come too. More to come. This is exciting. This is exciting. So, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for those watching. Can't wait to speak to you soon. Can't wait to help you out in the future.